Okay. Hello. Comms check. 1, 2. Comms check, please. 1, 2. Okay. Wow. Wow. First click, YouTube. YouTube worked. Beautiful. Beautiful. That way, did Twitch? Okay, there's Twitch. Okay, cool, 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 cool. The comms check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, comms looking good. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Yeah, I gotta finish some stuff up today. Owen, wow, how are you first every single time? That is crazy. You're not just like sitting at my page waiting for the live to show up, are you? Oh, I guess there's notifications. I'm dumb. Ignore me. Let me think here. So I got some stuff I need to do. One, I need to finish up the building refactor. Fun game stream the other day. Glad you enjoyed it, man. I enjoyed it a lot as well. It was fun. Hope to do some more of that. Hope to do some more of that in the coming weeks. But yeah, I gotta finish up the building refactor, which I think I pretty much am finished with. I know that there's probably like a little bit of functionality I need to either fix or re-implement or something. But for the most part, it's all the core functionality is working. So I might just commit what I have. And call it good. But I also need to test out some anims. So we need to do some more animation stuff. One of them is attaching the arrow to the bow. And it's not attaching properly. Yeah, so that should not... Can I see where a bone is? Let me look at this guy. Can I see where a particular bone is? I think I can't. I think this... well, no, I guess that is the bone. Okay, so that bone is not animating. Okay. Which is interesting because... the bow draw, wrong one. This one. No, also wrong one. This is the joint that we should be connecting to. It is animated here on this one. But I'm thinking that we've kind of blended that joint out somehow. I wonder if that animation should be coming through in the cast overlay. Yeah, okay, I did see it move. Okay, so it's up here. That joint is getting blended out. My theory was correct. I knew it. Okay, is it still like... Yeah, okay, so it's still there. It is getting blended out. But for why? Or why is it getting blended out? We will have to work backwards. That one, well, I should probably select my character. There we go. Okay, that one is not blended. Curves input is blended. Locomotion is not. Okay, so we're taking that joint from the locomotion pose rather than the curves input, which... How does this blend curves work? Is this a node I can look at in C++ or what? What is this? What would you say you do here? Blend curves. Yeah, how do I get this joint to show through? These curves are like specifically named for like these things, right? So why is it getting blended out? Or why? Okay, stop that for a second. Can I go to the definition of this? Oh, it is an ALS function. Oh, interesting. Okay, okay. Okay, we can, what? Okay, that works. Okay, found it. Found it. What are we doing with the curves here? What actually happens? It blend about. Oh, there's a blend mode. Blend by amount. Oh, and this is just set to override. Completely override the source pose. Okay. This is blend by amount. Okay. But what do we do with the curves? How does that actually affect which pose is which? Value times weight. Okay, everything's so generic that I have no idea what it is. Welcome in, guys. Hello. We have a blend curve. Is that just one of the tracks? I think that's just one of the tracks in the anim sequence. Current blend amount. What is the curves pose context? Pose context. It's just a pose and a curve. But what do we do with the curves? What does it all mean, Basil? Okay, yeah, I don't want to find that. That's way too much. It took way too long. Is there some way I can look up how this works? Your stream looks clean. DevDad, thank you. Welcome in. Good morning. Unreal Engine, Anim Blueprint, Blend. I don't know, just search that. I need to, yeah, blend nodes, sure. That's perfect. That sounds like exactly what I need to read up on here. Okay. But what does it do with the curves? I need to know about curves. the word curve on here. Okay. And set the curve blend behaviors from the list to control how animation. Blah, 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 blah. Do not override. I need like a curve to, do I need a new track here, like a new section? Let me look at the input for that. Modify curve. I'm just confused at how these curves actually apply to the animation. I know. Yeah, I mean, it must be these things right here, because I know that these do correlate to... These do correlate to the curve. The curves that I have in here. Little curve tracks. God damn, there's so many. Oh my god. No, thank you. Click off. Okay, what? Can you stop? Blueprints? I just want to stop. Whatever you're doing, just stop. Okay, I can't. What does Unreal Engine think I have pressed down right now? Jesus Christ. Okay, thank you. Unreal Engine, every once in a while, it'll think I just have like a modifier key held down. So I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, anyways, I think I need in here another blendy boy. I need like a two-way blend here. It is annoying that by default it just takes the locomotion. The locomotion bone position. I could make it an anim montage. That would help, perhaps. Did my, I forget if my, like, do work thing ended up okay. Did that end up okay? Yeah. Okay. And that was... Do work kneel. Yeah, so we just played that in post locomotion. Okay, let me see if I can just make a montage out of this real quick. Let's see if that works. Create montage. AM human male draw bow. Conan, welcome. Good morning. No, I think I'm using the full body right now. Bow draw. Can I forget if I made these? I strictly made them anim sequences. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think it has to be. Yeah, I think it has to be based on this. It's gonna go into a sequence player. Oh. Is there a way? What other blend things do I do? My God. Do I need you to like do that, Unreal Engine? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Blend bone by channel. Bone definitions. Can I just add source bone, target bone? Take the transform. Yeah, so maybe does this like copy the bone from one to another? Because I would need this for and I think I need to maybe reverse that. Where is... Copy that. Copy bones by channel from two poses together. So yeah, we can just take that and then do... Wait, can I even do this? I think I have to do something like this. Wait, but you can only do... Okay, so I need another one of these. Right? Or I need a cached. I'm learning. Scoot you over just a bit. So I need to use another cached. But I can only have one curves input here. I guess I need to cache that. Cache. Curves. Input. Cache that. Cache that all on the floor. Use curve. This is gonna be messy for a second, so we're gonna blend those together, blend this together, blend bone by channel, and then we want to go 0, I guess, because I always want to take the curves input pose. Okay, fuck it. Let's see if that works. Let's see how destroyed. So the Odd finally decided to be a contributing member of the society. Yeah. Yep, he grew up. He did grow up. Yeah, something ain't right here. Wait, why is that happening? And it didn't even work anyway. Okay. Didn't even work anyway. Okay, put it back. What is the status of your game? As in, like, is it launched? It is not. It is not launched. It does not even have a name. Okay, now I can walk like a normal person. Wonderful. Okay, so that didn't work. Whatever the hell that was. Okay, I just want to really take bone position from one pose and apply it to another. I watched the documentary on how your game made millions after a month of coding. Fascinating stuff. Good on you, man. Thank you. Welcome in. I have no idea what you're talking about. I guess I should search animation blueprint. Is there just a modify bone? Oh, that looks too aggressive for what I want. Bone. Blend bone by chance. That's the one I tried. It's always good to see you struggle. Oh, thank you. Copy bone. God, these look so aggressive. I don't need all that. Whatever that is. Okay, let's look at let's look back at the blends. The blend spaces. It's not going to help me. Dead blending. Using the dead blending algorithm. Oh. Is there a way I can only apply this to... How do curves work? Layered blend. I guess I need a layered blend per bone. Does two-way blend have a way to apply to a bone? No. I guess I have to do... Yeah, he saved my kids from a burning... What is going on today? Y'all wild. I need a base pose, and then I need 2 blend poses. Why do I need that? Bone name, projectile joint. Projectile joint. And I guess I just need this to be a strict number. Can I get rid of one? Can I get rid of one of these? Or I guess I have to have 2? I have to have 2. I think I set them to be the same thing. And where are my blend weights? Blend weights. Dynamic value. No. Poses pen. There we go. Blend weights 1, blend weights 2. Wait, what do I need this to be? I want this, but times 1. Blend bone weights? That doesn't sound right. There is the layered blend. Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's start with that. Okay, so you can only do 1. I was just a big dummy. Projectile joint, blend depth 1. It sounds correct. It does sound correct. Blend weights 1, because I want whatever is passed into blend pose 0, I think. Which means, yeah, cache this again. Cache that again. Okay, does that do things? Okay. No, it fucking doesn't. Okay, what do we got here? What do we got here? Curves input. We're gonna toggle the pose watch there. Okay, yeah, that joint is in the right position. That one is not. Oh, no. Take that back. Did I spell it right? Let me copy it. Maybe I didn't spell it right. I'm hoping that's just it. Probably not, though. Or maybe I need to flip the blend weights. Where's my target dummy? There we go. Nope, still stuck in place. Okay. Change that to 0. Oh, did we do it? Did we do it? No. No, we didn't. Okay, so what the heck? What the heck? Because that one does have... does it? I thought the cached pose had it. That one does. Why is this one not showing? Oh, because we're not even... I'm so confused. Why is that not? Oh, because it's entirely 0. There we go. That's why it wasn't showing up. Okay, so now let's make sure the blue does have it. Yeah, I see it moving, that one, or that guy right there. That's where that's where the arrow should be. And I guess I don't understand how these work. Layered blend poi bone. He's just doing a 1 there. On spine 01, blend depth 3. I don't know that I need a blend depth. Mesh space rotation blend. Blend root motion. Does it matter? How did he... Yeah, I mean, I guess you can just do that, but that's like the same as what I had, right? Maybe I should do this here. Let's see. See what happens there. Oh, that was it. Oh, that worked. Perfect. Okay, it's just rotated the wrong way. There we go. There's the arrow. He's holding it very weirdly. Very, very weirdly. Okay. We did it. Okay, let's add a comment here so I don't forget why I did this. Yeah, scooch that over. This, I'll just put you right there because that's where you're used. Okay. Comment block. What do I want to say here? Take projectile joint entirely from the input. The curves input, as it will not be animated in the locomotion plot. Okay. Okay, close. Okay, let me get a look at that without the those watches on. And he holds the bow wrong in this state. But that's fine for now. It's fine for now. He should also be dropping his axe there. Yeah, so that's the wrong arrow. That is the wrong arrow. Okay. Okay. Let's undo that. I think it was just at 90. Okay, I thought we had these adjusted to be in the right orientation. Maybe not. What was that? Yeah, I don't know. I have to like guess at like what orientation it needs to be at. Well, I guess I could do one of these here. Let's see. Hey, thank you for the sub, my man. Welcome in. I appreciate your support. What is, I need 90 in red. What is red? Roll. I need 90 roll. 90 roll units. Was it negative 90 or was it hang on. I hate rotation, man. Where was my, there it is. It was positive. It was positive 90. Okay, positive 90. In red. Positive 90 red. Okay, it flies straight right in the dick. the old dick shot. Okay. Twist his dick. Do I need to rotate this joint? Can I do that? Is that how that works? Or I might need a socket. Yeah, I may need my animator to fix up that socket. Whoops. You got more characters in there now? Just more equipment, yeah. Let me get a screenshot here. What? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Okay, so we've tested that. That's working. Sort of. Good for now. It is good for now. Should I go ahead and figure out what to do about my building refactor? I kind of just want to send it. Kind of just want a full send. Merge directly to main. No code reviews. Yeah, the snapping and snocketing is working great. Is working great. The ground placement could do some work. Let me at least write down what's outstanding. Isn't it dangerous to show the keyboard key presses on stream? Yeah, you're right. The people might steal my code if I show that. I mean, I'm not typing in passwords or anything on stream, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, I'm not gonna, I mean, you should probably never type passwords on stream, regardless. Because, like, I'm pretty sure there is AI that even if you don't, like, I'm using a virtual keyboard that has specific sounds for each button press. Like, every A sounds the same. That's A and D, right? But, like, if your keyboard sound comes through your mic at all, I'm pretty sure there's AI that can determine what keys you're pressing. So, yeah, you should never type in your password on stream, probably. And if you do, you need to mute all sound and camera inputs and probably your, probably also your screen. But yeah, I just don't, anything that requires a password, I just don't do that on stream. Not that there's a whole lot of, there's not a whole lot of scenarios where I need to do that anyway. Okay, so the building refactor, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Building ISMC refactor, I need to still, what did I just say? Landscape, I'll say wall landscape placement is inconsistent. I need to build, I need to put building progress widgets into the Lyra indicators system thing. What else do I need to do here? Okay, you can't place a campfire indoors. Did I intend for that to be the case? Oh, the chesty chest. Okay, the chest doesn't work. Chest doesn't work. Chest doesn't work. And then the... whoops. Oh my god, it's Mart. Hello, Mart. Been a while. Okay, yeah, and we can do the free placement now as well. Okay, so wall objects are good. And then I did get the destruction working too, right? My password is star, so come at me, bro. Yeah, that's actually one of the most common passwords. We still need sounds as well. Sounds I need to fix. I need to fix bed, wall, object, ramp, geometry collection, spawn rotation as well. Be safe going back to work now. Okay. Well, have a good day at work. What else needs to get fixed? What else needs to get fixed here? Probably I need to do some performance. I need to fix performance on the destruction at least. Look into optimizing. It's basically support checks, I think. Which will caching, which will involve caching. Caching spelled with an E? No, it's not. And then the wall placement, or the ceiling placement. Is that consistent? I need to fix the camera too. The camera is very lame. That's kind of a separate thing though. You know, let me like rotate this guy here. Oh, free placement rotation does not work. Ooh, free! Free placement rotation does not work. That's fine. That is fine. Oh my god, rotation doesn't work on that either. Oh no. Oh no, I broke that rotation. That's supposed to work. I'm supposed to be able to rotate here. Okay, so snapped. Or I'll say socketed rotation does not work. What else? I need to figure out where building type should exist. Data table or actor. I think that's it. I think that's it. Bunch of man ass there in your face. Okay. Yeah, here are the new armor sets, by the way. Okay, I think I'm ready to come out. And I want to move some more. Go ahead and close tabs to the right here. I want to move some more of the building component into C++ as well. Move more of building component into C++. Okay, I like that. Let's go ahead and commit it. I am so excited. I could not be more excited to share with you the commit that I am about to do, which is 73 files large. Is there anything I shouldn't include here? I forget if there's anything. What do I do in the character? Super minor stuff that I don't think I care about putting out into its own commit. Some imports optimizations. I could respond building actor. That's fine. I guess I need to test all of the colonist tasks again. Which maybe it's time to start getting some automated tests for those. Maybe it's time. I don't know if that's the final architecture I want to settle on, though. I'm kind of not happy with it. What did I do in attribute? Oh yeah, the listeners. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and commit it. Okay. Refactor buildings into ISMCs. A giga refactor. Oh, maybe this one shouldn't have gone in there, but who cares? Who cares? Future me will care. Future me will care. But that's not me, so I don't. Okay, so what I want to do next is take a break from the building stuff for a second. And I want to get some more equipment input. That's what I think the next move is here. I need to learn how to use like Blender and stuff, because like if you notice when I equip the bow, tis not oriented correctly. It's not. And I need to just like, can I adjust the bones there? Well, no, it would adjust it for all animations, which I don't want. So yeah, I would want to adjust it in the animation software, I think. First thing, let's go ahead and make sure that we detach the correct weapons. We should be getting in here. And we should be detaching the main-handed and offhand weapon when we attach the... Okay, why were there 23 actions? We have to rebuild now. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, but we should have been getting in here when we equip the ranged weapon and detaching the main hand and offhand, which maybe I should just set that to invisible. Maybe that might be a bit easier. But attaching also includes like wiring together, not wiring, but linking. There we go. That's the word. Linking the anim instance. All right. To not do the nanite visualization. Okay, so I do get here. I get here. No. Am I not even... I guess I'm not even grabbing the main hand weapon. I guess I don't have a main hand weapon. No, I guess I don't. That is news to me. Oh, because it's in the two-hand slot. Interesting, yeah. I think that's why, at least. Oh no, it's just null. What is the entity here? It's on... Oh, that's the item entity, not the owner entity. I'm dumb. That's the wrong one. That's probably been wrong for a long time. That's why. That makes sense. Hello, please. Please, Link. Please, please, please. Pretty please? Okay, I will just rebuild. Okay, let's see if that works. Do I have equipment data? Not from the right call site, but there we go. Nice. Okay, now I have to make sure that I actually switch between them. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good. 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 Yeah, I should probably fix the entity movement as well. Because that doesn't look no good. Okay, so that's fixed. Let's do a quick commit there. Fix weapon detachment. But I want to get the armor in here now. So, item data. I guess I don't have any equipment. Oh, I do have equipment data. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I have to wire all of these back up. Okay. Boots. Hood. No. Head. Yes. Okay. And then those do already exist here. We don't have icons for any of them. Okay. We're just gonna find some random ones. Honestly, that one's not too bad. Ants. Some of these are like not fantasy pants, but that's fine. Boots. Boot. No. Feet. That's not right. What about shoes? Shoe. I guess boot was the only one. Yeah, where did that one come from? They don't have shoes here. This pack has no shoes. Juice. Guess I could do a filter for texture. Oh god, there's so many textures. Where is this one at? Fantasy GUI? Fantasy GUI 4. Ba 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 boo 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 ba ba. Do 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 do. Yeah, I guess these boots are basically all I have. That's basically all I got. Do I have any belt icons? I do. That hood? Head. Go back to that. We have any like helmet? We have helmets, but yeah, I don't know if there's like a. I need just like a hood. Hood. Yeah, I guess it's just helmets. Okay, that is going to be the picture of a helmet. Is there anything else I need to add here? I think I will need to write some code here. I will need to write some code, and I think that code belongs in the my equipment. Handle equipped. So I think I can delete this part, right? That should be the same. And we call this super. So yeah, I can delete that part. Let's quickly confirm that that is indeed the case. Then I think I just need a little bit of extra code here. Essentially right here. To equip the equipment. Nice. That detached my offhand weapon. Oh, because it was a two-hander. Yeah, that does make sense. Okay. Should probably fix up these other weapons too. Some of them don't have materials and some of them are oriented wrong. So we'll fix that up as well. Equipped in slot. Do I need that? Apply weapon delay effect. I mean, I guess we can just do that up in here, up in here, up in here. Right? Well, if there is no weapon actor representation, we just return. But we should still be setting the slot, though. Not equal to ammo, attach it. And if we actually changed slots, which I don't know, is that ever not the case? Oh, I guess maybe if I'm like a reattach. Well, I think I just call attach at that point. I don't know. We'll leave it like it is because it's not hurting anything. Okay, and then down here, I need to do the code for equipping the thing. Equipping the thing, and I think I do some of this already in the player character. Skeletal mesh from equipment. Maybe, wait, hang on. Do I already do this? I think I already handled this, actually. Handle equip side effects. Yeah, if it's not a weapon, we just handle that in the equipment utils. So now I just need to add that as default equipment. Or default inventory. We'll do inventory. And actually, before I do all that, player character. Wait, what is that in? Character. That's in character defaults. That will be in entity archetype. Yeah, give me that. Oh, it's a T map. So I don't know if this works. It'll data table row handle wrapper. Yeah, I don't. This actually doesn't. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, never mind. We gotta raw dog it. Item data. One. Just grab that. Yeah. Boots, gloves. Hood. Boots, gloves, hood, cloak. And then chest, I saw chest, and then I think we just need pants. Which maybe that should just be a default. You know what, let's make pants default. Let's make that a default piece of equipment. Where are my striped pants? Bring me my brown pants. Sir? Oh, I forgot. Oh no, I'm using the... Okay, this is gonna get weird. We're gonna get weird here. So there's this issue for some reason with the hands. It's gonna look really weird here. Well, okay, I removed the chest piece, that's why. Yeah. So if I put the chest in there, it's gonna look weird. Which would be in the private account. Welcome. This is gonna be in base mesh. Okay, now the hands. Yeah, see, so I'm having this issue. I have an issue, Doctor. I have an issue with my hands. Whenever I have a chest, whenever I have a chest piece, my hands turn into salad fingers or Slender Man or Eldritch Monstrosity. I have the fix for this. I just need my animator to remove the joints off of the chest. For some reason, that is affecting it weirdly. For now, W hand. Very good. Very good. For now, I might just remove the hands. So they don't look too weird. I think though the... What if I made the hands the full mesh? Still fucked up. Doesn't even matter. Yeah, that chest piece is messed up. What if I made the chest piece? What if I made the chest piece the full mesh? That works. Okay, we'll roll with that for now, till I get the correct mesh back. Okay, I have stuff that didn't do anything. Striped pants. Okay. The right-clicking on the equipment does nothing. Okay. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Equipment. Should be a use, yes. So let's go straight into there. Okay, we're not even getting there. Oh, I haven't wired up a class for it yet. Do I need to do that? Class is none. Should be getting there. I do get there. Do I get to... I mean, I should be getting there. Use item. Use item. Okay, we should be getting there as well. Inventory owning entity. That does look correct. We have an index. We have a character. Good. Use highlighted item. Item. Use. What class are you? It's just a my item. Okay, so that would be why. These are not getting created as equipment. So this should be default equipment, load default equipment. Equip gear entry. You my item, create new item. It should be being created as an equipment. I see it right there. Okay, let's see here. This is... Oh, it's because it's getting created from the inventory. Right. Okay, default class is null pointer there. Okay, that makes sense. I guess I need some way, some intelligent way. To discern, some more intelligent way to discern. I could just set their default class to equipment, but that's like a lot of work. I don't want to have to do that. Let's just say if default class if there's a class on the row, let's call this loaded class instead. If there is a default class, we can set it. Else, we're gonna have to do some code here. We're gonna have to do code. Which at the very end of this is going to be just you my item. And so maybe we say something like if row equipment data handle is not null, then item class equals yes. Yeah, good. And let's start by saying if row weapon data wait, there's no right, the weapon data would be on the equipment. Okay, so if that's not null, that means this. Oh, I have to like get the row. Okay, F equipment data. Auto equip data. Equip data and equip data. Weapon data handle dot is not null. Then item class equals my weapon otherwise. Okay, and then this is in the else. And we'll put this up front. Okay, so that should spawn it as the correct class now. Hopefully. Okay. The item is an equipment now. Yes, good. Okay, we finally got to the equipment use. Good. 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 Equipment data. Equipment slot is belt, so we skip that. For each equipment. Oh, I'm testing if... Let me write a comment here. Check if the item is already equipped. If so, unequip it. If so, player has unequipped from character panel. Okay, it is equipped. Do I see it on my... I see it on the character. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Chest piece. Good. A little laggy. Good. Yeah, the cloak is not animated. Oh, my... What happened to my feet? What happened to my locomotion? Uh-oh. Did the new blend... The new blend I did, oh, that I need to fix that attachment. Okay, we need to fix the cast. The cast attachment. Cast ability. Those aren't necessary. So, projectile ability. Cast projectile. Yeah, I knew there was a projectile ability. Attach to socket, which is defaulted to offhand. Instead of hand, socket, R, or maybe L. Okay, let me see. Get all my equipment on. Cool thing is that it was actually merging all of that into a single static mesh at runtime, which is cool. There we go. There we go. The cape looks a little interesting. I wish it stayed a little flatter to his back. Oh yeah, he looks pretty good in hunter mode. So wait, so he can move. Oh dude, this looks sick. Okay, what happened to my two-handed swing there, huh? What happened to that? Why can't I move with that? Hang on, let me check. Let me check with the one-hander too. One-hander's fine. Okay, there must just be... I just need to like copy some curves over or something. It'd be a minor issue. Back. Back two-hand 01. Yeah. Legs and pelvis are 1. Is that correct? Let's look at the one-handed attack. Legs and pelvis are supposed to be -1. Okay, how did those get to be that? How did those get to be that way? It's starting to feel like a game, guys. Oh, dude, the no shirt. Dude, he looks like a fucking executioner. Yeah, the no shirt Giga Chad. Fucking shredded. Huntsman. I guess the cape looks weird because I don't have it animated with the running movement, which I think is going to be pretty important. It is a little animated here. It does like float very far off the back, which maybe I should have checked that before. Put the shirt back on though. Just a big whiff right there. Nice. Okay, why now the dot ability spawn dot effect actor. Oh, yeah, I don't like how I did this. This was back in the days of the gameplay ability system. Of the yucky, nasty, built-in Unreal Engine gameplay ability system, and not the drawing ability system. DAS, we'll call it. So, dot act. This must be the target thing. On emitter attached. Ah, there it is. Okay, offhand. And socket L. Oh yeah, that's nice. Although I want that I don't think that, yeah, it's not attached to him. Drawing ability system looking good. Thank you, man. Welcome in, Elliot. Yeah, I wish I did a proper before and after for the drawing ability system. To kind of be able to brag about it a little bit more, rather than just talking about, oh, it's roughly this much better. Roughly this much more gooder. Read it again. Oh no, I saw. I didn't, I'm lying. I'm actually curious. So hang on, why am I capped at 30 FPS right now? What the fuck is happening? I do have like a ton of I find that like Unreal Engine doesn't know how to fucking clean up the goddamn skeletons. When you open up a bunch of like anim stuff, yeah, we're just like all of that. Just close tabs, close all of it. But I wanted to check real quick. I want to check like how much merging these skeletal meshes together is actually costing me. So let's just like boom, 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 boom. How much does that cost per frame to do that? Of course, it's gonna be like impossible to find. That's just slate, okay. I can't even find it. Can't even find it. Shouldn't there be like a contains like merge meshes? Is that it? No event found. Why did you show up then? Yeah, let's throw a trace scope on here. Why? It just picks some random, the AI just picks some random ass fucking name. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, well, the fact that I can't even find it is probably a good sign. Okay, how long does it take to bake skeleton? Oh, like fucking, oh, okay, 8.1 milliseconds. I mean, it's non-negligible. Oh, that was like, that's probably, that was the initial one. The first one. Okay, so the subsequent one, okay, 8 milliseconds for that, yeah. So yeah, maybe something that we do need to consider doing async. Right now, it's all just like inline. Dude, what, setting the animation instance is 1.6 milliseconds? Oh my god, and refreshing the inventory. Oh, because there's a print string, that's why. Okay, so ignore that then, ignore that. Yeah, another 8.1. Really, I'm surprised at how long it takes to just boot up a goddamn... Oh, a lot of it's the ragdolling too, which I don't even use. Yeah, 8 points. So yeah, we should think it's fine for now, but we should let me write it to do make this async. Currently, it takes about 8 ms. Okay. But we're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah, the cloak looks a little strange. I will say he looks pretty badass. This gear looks pretty sick for archery. Nice. And the little double whammy attack. Now, if only my arrow were actually oriented correctly, same with the bow, it would look pretty sick. But I wanted to see... He should probably start attacking when that happens. Oh, and he needs an effect plate on him too, I think. Yeah, I think I want that to follow him. Effect execution. Is entity alive? Yeah, did we get here? I don't know if we ever hit that, which is what should be playing the effect whenever it ticks. And I need to do a whole nother pass on playing audio from entities, because it was all based on components before, which is not going to work. Friendship ended with Unreal Engine scene components and actor components. Now ECS is my friend. Oh, this is just spawn emitter at location. Right, because I have nothing to attach them to. So yeah, I think I need a whole VFX ECS processor too. I mean, I assume there's some way to spawn an emitter and then like set location or something. Oh, this is because this is like an old one. Oops. It's a cascade particle thing. Yeah, we'll need to get some new ones in. We'll need to get some new ones in. Okay, so I suppose that's fine for now. And also, this needs to be rotated. I don't know... I don't know which way. Can I not add? This is a rotator, right? Do I have to split? I'm just gonna guess it's yaw. Okay, I think that was the correct orientation. Yeah. Okay, I think that was right. Wow, first try. Okay, so that looks good. Let me look at the... I guess I'm fixing abilities now. I'm just in that... I'm in that mode. The Frost Nova. Yeah, I need to get rid of gameplay cues as well. On emitter. That should be it, right? That should be what we get to. Oh, and let me check real quick. Yeah, so we're like, yeah, we're not even hooking into the gameplay queue stuff anymore. Okay, we didn't even get to that. We may just not even be using that anymore. Oh, I suppose we get here. Instigator ground location. Yeah, that's not... That doesn't seem to be the ground location, does it? No, it doesn't. Let's just confirm. No, it's not. Okay, I think I need to actually fix that in the player character, because I don't think the entity location, the entity location is at the feet, but the actor location is in the middle. So where do I... This is what we do. So I need to like subtract the half height here. Do I have bounds entity data here? I think I do. Let me just grab that. Which maybe... I mean, it's a pretty simple lookup, right? I could just copy it onto... I don't know, maybe just copying it onto the character is better. How negligible is this call? Of course, we have to just do like a whole bunch of fucking shit. Okay. Yeah, just copy this onto like some property on the character. Might as well do the same for radius. Okay, then we can just directly subtract the half height. Actually need to be vector 0, 0, half height. Okay. I think that's the reason why. What was that? My dog just honked. Hang on. She's such a weirdo. Wow, and we haven't even started building yet. Thank you, Unreal Engine. Now's a good time to take the doggos out, though, so I might do that real quick. BRB, guys. Okay. The puppies and I have been pottied. Oh no, I closed the wrong window. That's not that's not what I wanted to do. All right, let's try that again. Okay, so we were testing the Frost Nova placement, which is now correctly at my feet. Okay, good. This Frost Nova freeze thing. This is like, I think this is what happens when I hit someone with it. Let's see if does that happen? No, he should be frozen. He should be quite frozen. Yeah, his movement should be 0 during that. And his weapons aren't equipped in the right hands because he doesn't have the same joints my character does, which is starting to become more and more of an issue the more I implement. Now I have the socket map. I may need a T-map of T-map for like race. The outer one is race, and then it's for that race what sockets to attach to. Why you so smart and I'm so dumb? You made Git job as an operation analyst. Basically, it's the same as it technician. There may be a bit of a language barrier here, but I don't know what you're saying exactly. But either congratulations or I'm sorry to hear that, whichever one is applicable to what you're saying. I thought about trying to meme as a YouTube chatter, but I just don't even know where to begin. Yeah, it's hard to draw the line between, you know, if someone is just trolling or if they're just a kid or if they're, you know, English isn't their first language. Okay, what else do I want to do here? I want to take another peek at... Ooh, let me get a target dummy. I need a target dummy. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let me change the... Well, first of all, I'm done testing Fireball. And I know I set the mana cost to 0, so let's set that mana cost back. Probably it was 10. Then let's go to Power Shot. Cooldown is 10. Let's change that to 4. Mana cost is also quite high. Oh, the damage is very high as well. Min damage 30. Max damage 35. Okay, let's take that down to 10 to like 15. Mana cost 20. God damn it, it dealt so much damage. Should the arrow go a little faster? Cavino, welcome in. My first time seeing the gameplay, looking sick. Yeah, you want to see some of the WoW gameplay? We spawn some entities. Welcome in, brother. How you doing? Forgot, they're all Angie. They're all Angie. Does Blizzard work? Uh-oh. What is mad here? Ah, we have a null pointer anim sequence. Love the SF, the sound effects, yeah, all ripped straight from WoW. I'm borrowing them. You're borrowing them. Yeah, why is that? Can I do the git name safe here? Probably a better option. Okay, so give me one moment, Kabina. When I asked you what class you were playing, I had pictured in my head Druid for some reason, and you said Druid was like your first class. I was like, oh my god. Such a Druid thing to say, that they play a Druid, you know? Imagine if you get copyright strikes from WoW. Yeah, well, they're not gonna go in the final game. Yeah, they're just placeholders, so yeah, not gonna ship the game with another game's sounds in them. That would be a terrible idea. I class hop so much though. I mean, yeah, it's been like what, 20 years since the game came out. I'm sure we've all played most classes. I started as a paladin was my first class, and then when Classic launched, 2019, I played a warlock main. But quite the dichotomy there. Yeah, I've played most classes by now. Some gear on. Fireball, dot. I don't know, does my aim shot work? Oh, my aim, like, I have an actual, like, skill shot here. Oh, it does work. I'm not supposed to be able to do that while casting. Oh, and I wanted to spawn more guys here. Why does it, like, the editor hash, whatever this is never happy with me changing things at runtime. Bruh. Why am I doing this all over the place? Anim sequence, get name. Get name. Safe. Good God. Okay, another one.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I know I did, DJ Khaled. Good God, why am I... Also, maybe there's probably some issue with the... Oh, I think I need to wire up the Omnicast. That's another thing I need to test out. The Omnicast. I did just get that anim in, but this is a good change regardless of if there's an underlying issue or not. I'm guessing there's different races such as dwarves and stuff. I would like that, yeah. Although that costs quite a bit of money, as I found with just creating the few sets and animations that I have. My bank account is not happy with me at the moment, but yeah, I would like to have separate races, but probably won't launch in any meaningful state with more than just human for now. I think the next one I would do is orc, but yeah, my bank account is making this noise. Like a cartoon, some sort of cartoon animal that is out of breath or something. let's try that again. Once again, I don't know why that's happening. Editor hash. Great. Okay, can I use Blizzard now? No, I can't. My God, there was more. It's got to be from the cast ability. Because it should be trying to use the Omnicast. Maybe I don't have that wired up yet for okay, there better not be any more of those. Let's rebuild. And let's open cast ability. Now search for channel loop anim override, which that's maybe the one that's wrong. That's probably empty. I don't think I have any loop. I don't have a looping animation there yet, which is really just going to be a pose, I think. Let me look at cast ability. Well, those are just overrides, right? Where am I actually getting the... Oh, just right here. Dir channel loop. Dir channel loop, omnicast loop, omnicast. Channel time. Channel time, baby. Just cast anim. I could cast montage. Get cast spell anim. I think in the Blizzard ability I have it overridden. No, I don't. Casting loop time. Make loop calculator. Anim to play. Yeah. Get channel loop anim. Which is channel loop anim override. Which I need to set up here. If... Wait, no, this is channel loop. What did I put in dir? Dir channel loop. Should probably be omni channel loop. Nothing is in dir channel loop. It'd be omni. Yeah, I think it's omnicast. Yeah, I don't have a loop anim. So I think he's just going to stand there. And honestly, that's kind of fine. Can we just use the can we just use this one instead? Honestly, that's kind of fine. Run. I need mana. I need mana. One more tick of mana. Oh god, they're fast. Oh god, they are fast. I fucking whiffed. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, and my cleave isn't working. My cleave is not working. I guess we're fixing abilities today too. Yeah, I need to do Omni channel there. So Omnicast loop. I have to remember what these are. So the channel is the cast, which maybe I want to rename those. I'm just going to call that cast directional. Omni, or this, we can call this cast Omni. Call this casting loop. Okay. That should be... delete that. That should be good. Yeah, so the channel in loop and ends don't have anything in them. So casting loop, cast Omni, okay. That's cast loop, that's for like starting. On cast anim finish. So instead of a get channel loop anim. That's not, because that's going to be empty right now. So where is the actual... It's on cast time finish, right? Finish cast anim. Get cast, it's get cast spell anim. Okay, so... Find damage trigger time, which, do I have that? Is that in there, by the way? Maybe not for Omni. Oh, it is in there. Okay. If cast spell anim override. Yeah, I guess I need to figure out. I need to do something like this. So I need to do if B requires target and dir cast spell. Directional cast. We do the directional cast. Else if, or I'll just say, yeah, we can do else if B requires target, or rather not requires target, then we do the omnicast. That's like the simple version. Okay. I didn't cast that for very long, did I? I'm also not playing the leg animations through there. Do I have the curves copied properly? I do. So why are my legs not showing up through there? Why are my legs not showing up? Slow-mo. His legs are not going. The casting loop should have the right... casting loop does not have the right curves on it. Can you please increase the leg size? No. Legs are good. They're exactly as I want them. Called stylized. Okay. Okay, let's see if that is better now. Stop. Also, I want to see it with all of his gear on as well. It's still not showing. What the fuck? What the fick? Well, I've toggled the pose watch. Please show. Please. Oh, there's multiple. Okay, I have to open the cast overlay. The directional cast shows, so this is a bit weird. At least I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, the directional cast shows the legs. What happens on channeling? Casted spell casting. Casted spell and casting. So it's in here. Why doesn't it like the I'm just gonna copy paste onto Omni. And let me come here, you. It doesn't require a target, so. That looks so silly. Why? Wait, why? It's doing the same. I mean, I guess maybe let me look at this to make sure it's in the same fucking thing. Why? Yeah, we're doing cast spell. Casting. Is it because I'm not in combat idle? Might be because I'm not in combat idle. Didn't think that that was a necessity. Yeah, it does seem that way. Oh, and he does do that at the second I activate it, which is kind of nice. So yeah, I need the combat idol. Okay, interesting. Let me look at the curves on that bad boy. Player legs pelvis 1. Interesting. What would happen if I changed those to -1, I wonder? Still looking good there. Would those be at -1? Maybe those should be at -1. Okay, the -1 didn't seem to make a difference. Okay, set those back to 1. Then yeah, I guess we just want the combat idol on all of the abilities there. Close some of these items. And just close to the left. Okay, so I need a way to... I need a way to say whether this is an omni or a directional cast. So I think, does the heal... I don't like the timer on that. Don't like the timer on that. It's still a little late. That feels better. Maybe even a little bit sooner than that. I think even maybe a tad before that. There you go, that feels good. That feels good. Okay, let's fix the directional versus omnicast. Well, I should the dot ability should still do the right one. Yeah. Okay, so I have these like override things that I don't use. I think I'll just add a Boolean here, honestly.
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Do I do anything with B combat ability? I don't. I should though. It's like for whether or not it should put you in combat. Will be omnicast. Set that to false. Well, this needs to go on the cast ability, not that. So rather than requires target, it's omnicast. We need to rebuild. And then I think after this I want to figure out why my cleave is not working. And I think maybe also probably the same reason as the imbue weapon ability as well. I was surprised to see that the aim shot still worked. Although I wonder if that's actually doing collision or not. I don't think it is. I think it always hits. I think I need to increase the speed of the arrow. Dude, what are we doing here? We're doing absolutely nothing. Oh, and I didn't turn on my mouse tracker. There we go. What are we doing here? Just sitting here doing nothing. Thank you. What is fucking running right now? Build.bat is already running. Task manager has determined that that was a lie. Cast ability. Or is it it's because I touched the entity ability base on accident. Spare me. Yeah, that doesn't... This whole node doesn't work at all, so I should probably just delete that. Play montage and wait for event. Yeah, I should just delete that. Okay, so now let's go to Blizzard. Where is Omnicast? Yes. So Omnicast is true for Blizzard, and we'll need to do that for Heal as well. And then also Frost Nova should be Omni as well. Frost Nova, where are you? Where art thou, Frost Nova? Delete that. Don't need that anymore. Okay. This should be directional. Good. That should be directional. Good. This should be Omni. Good. And then this should be Omni as well. Good. Correct. Okay, we are good to go there. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. Okay, so let's commit what we have here. It's just a bunch of random stuff here. So the player, we're going to say fix entity location. I'll say fix player character entity location, commit and push. Yes. And I'll say my item and equipment and okay, this is going to be fix equipment items not getting created in inventory as the proper class. Commit anyway and push, yes. Okay, then the rest of this. Hang on, let me rebuild real quick, because yeah, oh yeah, play montage and wait for event. Okay, so yeah, that I forgot that is actually used, but it doesn't work. So I'm just gonna comment it out. It doesn't work. This is going to be update cast ability to handle omnicast abilities. Okay. Good. Good. Rebuild. How much experience do you have in building games? 0. Sorry, I missed that. I was probably there for a while. My first game. Can you? I hate that Unreal Engine never remembers the things that I've changed. Like, I don't want the nanite visualization anymore. That was it. I just wanted to see that one time, and now you just want to put that on every single time. Let me check out my imbue weapon ability here. Okay, that was all off. Okay, yeah, that's not working either. Okay. Which imbue weapon should be an omnicast as well. Got offhand. Okay, hand, socket, L. Maybe I need a, it would be nice to be able to change that in a central location. Patch points for cast abilities and stuff. Maybe someday I'll put that into game mode. Okay, so the imbue weapon effect. Gameplay queue. I probably don't even get here. Probably don't use the gameplay queue anymore. Hit damage. Yeah, ability modifiers. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know if I get here. Did I break ability modifiers? Yeah, I'm not even getting there. So let's see. We'll have to open up the vlogger here. Don't think I care about that stuff. View weapons is an active ability. Imbue weapon is applied. Yeah, I don't know if did I ever properly implement ability modifier effects? Hang on. What do I need? Guys, what do I need from Costco? We need coffee. Yeah, we're running low on coffee beans. Oh, I want some. Yeah. What else do I need? What do you guys get from Costco? Anything you guys like really love from Costco that's like a must cop? For me, it's the queso. They have these it's called queso mama. It's like, it's like really good queso. I love just throwing some hot sauce in there and just going to town. So that's my recommendation. I think that's it. I think that's all I can come up with. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, ability modifier effects. So this should be like on. Is this in the damage processor? Yeah. Now, what am I doing? What am I looking up here? I guess let me look at the ability modifier data here. Ability modifier effect, too. Okay, I don't like the name for that. Name kind of sucks. It's a U ability modifier effect. Which is not very descriptive as to what it is. I want source ability. We've learned our lesson. We should use get name safe. Jesus, that was way more than I wanted. This should just be what LV and then level here. I is integer, right? In the formatter code? I hope so. Okay, so ability modifier effects. Yeah, I should be getting in here. And I should have certain scenario tags. Let's just see what happens here. We do have one in here. That looks horrible. That looks horrible. Apply ability side effects. Is that not what I have? Oh, this is get ability modifiers. Get ability modifiers. Which is different from apply ability side effects. Yeah, this probably should be an ability side effect, not a modifier. I'm not modifying any of the existing information. Yeah. Let's override apply ability side effects instead. Just copy everything over. Spawn emitter attached, spawn sound attached. Do I actually like apply the damage. Oh yeah, right there. Okay. So yeah. Okay. I'm checking if the entity IDs are not equal. And the scenario tag, I don't need to return that. The effect entity. I don't have the effect entity. Is that intentional? Target, that should be fine. Target should be fine. We'll just refresh that. No? Okay, I have to retype target out. Okay, property fire sounds could not be. Oh, that was a local. I like promote that to a and of course, oh no, it has the same defaults. Good. Good. Fire sounds. And then source ability, can I move you up there? Cut. Paste. Oh, I already have these. The source ability is already on here. Is that right? Where do I update that? I don't ever write to that. Okay. But also, wait, also, why? Why wouldn't effect get name have the blueprint name? It's a new ability modifier effect object. Oh, I'm just getting like the class name, huh? Oh, the class name is the outer. Okay, it's not even spawning the right class here. Okay. The outer, I'll just get transient package, I suppose. I don't really need it to be. Yeah, that was why. Okay, that's, oof. I kind of regret changing. Okay, so that was actually the problem. So yeah, we might have messed up We might have messed that up a little bit. And also, I should probably add source ability, grant ability modifier effect. I should probably pass in the source ability here. There should probably be a source ability parameter. Then I can pass that in here. I can also give it to the effect as well. Apply effect to target. That would be on the context data. Yeah, we should probably do that. Okay, rebuild. Weapon, yeah. Okay, so actually now that this should probably properly be doing things. Get skeletal mesh component. Yeah, get source ability. Yeah, the effect entity. Can I just make entity? Yeah, just make a dummy entity for now. We'll come fix that up later. Source ability, we don't... Yeah, we don't actually need the effect context there at all. Okay, that did something. That time it didn't play cleave. Yeah, it didn't play the anim or anything. Okay, imbue weapon actually did get hit there. Context data. What do we have? What do we have? Source ability is null. That should be fine. Okay, so source ability was null. Let's try that. I mean, I guess I didn't plug that in. I'll have to see. I thought it would be fine if there was a null source ability. Okay. Can't delete the return node, okay. Source ability is there. Okay. What about this one? It is not there. Okay. God, the roll got fucked up. Wait, did you guys see that? His torso gets elongated. That ain't right. Source ability still null. Okay, go back to the grant ability modifier effect. Do we get there for that? Also, what am I doing with the constructor such that it's a big Angie? Should be fine, right? Just making a weak pointer. Can you make a weak pointer from a null pointer? Does it, or is that no bueno? Force ability is null. Oh, I need to pass that in from the this. Yes. And then cleave. Yeah. Cleave should do that too. Okay. It's working now. It's working now. I forget what the difference is between that I intended for liability side effects and gettability modifiers. Because this does seem like a side effect type scenario. Okay, so the side effect part does not fucking matter. Nothing is happening there. I am applying a damage of 0 in some, like this is getting applied like twice or something. Why am I getting 2 damages getting applied then? Boom. Melee auto attack damage applied. Yeah, I guess I don't have any logs for now the class shows up properly. That's good. Okay, here's a weapon auto attack right there. Fire spell damage applied. And then I ended the ability there. I guess this doesn't really... I don't have any logs for ability modifier effects. What are you working on now? I'm trying to fix some abilities that I have. Welcome in, something. Like, you see how there's the 0? That shouldn't be showing up. And I guess this would have been damage effect processor. Well, this is just side effects, which... That does, final damage. My ability modifier effects. Which happens from calc damage, which gets the base damage. Is that the difference? Is just one is before damage, one is after damage? Is that the difference? I wrote this code, so you'd think I should know. Yeah, and what ability modifier? I don't think that this should be a get ability modifier. There's no ability modifiers added here. I think I just need to update the side effects to include the... Oh, I have the target. Oh, right. Here I only get the target location. Or no, I guess target, we split it. Right. Okay. Yeah, ability modifiers. We don't do anything there. Yeah, we're just triggering this off of ability modifier, which doesn't feel right. But in any case, it shouldn't be going twice. So let's do some ECS vlog here. Loads. Also, why are we copying? Why are we copying? Don't do that. I think, right? Okay, so ECS, vlog. My ability system logs. Applied source mod. Mod entry.key is what we'd want. Applied source mod percent %s mod value applyability modifier. What did I do here? Oh, wait, is this something different? Oh, no, get ability modifiers. I see. Okay. Right. This is for each applied source ability modifier. Ability modifier from source. I mean, I'm logging this on the self entity. I'll say self-applied ability modifier. Well, I should also log up here, I think, as well. I don't know. Like in a normal scenario, I don't think this should be getting hit like that. Although for the cleave, this is a get. No, cleave does apply ability side effects. Oh, it has both. Cleave has both. Which is, I think, correct. I think that's what I should be doing. Okay, I like this. And then let's go ahead and we'll log that here. And let's also log the extra value at this point. And then this is, I hate that that does that. Is there can you split? Can you like do something like that? Does that work? Does that work, or do you have to do the plus? No, it doesn't like plus. Okay, maybe I can do that then. Okay, put those there. And I also need some logs on applicability side effects as well. Target applied, side effect, and then we just log the name here. There's nothing else to log. Applied, target, side effect. Applied self, side effect. Yeah, should I log the scenario tag here too? I want to log the scenario tag here too. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll do a %s in here. Throw in the scenario tag. Get name. As string. I have to call toString on it. That's like super annoying. Okay, so stop, rebuild. And the thing is, I'm not even going to see the problem here. I'll just debug. I'll just debug. test our logs first. No, stylus input was not what I wanted. Visual logger was what I wanted. Okay. Oh, applied self. I guess I don't know if those actually do some or are actually implemented or not. Yeah, I don't know if those are actually doing stuff. But they show up in the logs fine. I'll have to think about that a little harder. But let me check out the get ability modifier effects and see what's happening here. Okay, so we're getting here from calc damage. Scenario is damage. We got there once, and it didn't return anything. Make sure that like that's not getting hit for some reason. Okay, now we're here again. Are we processing damage twice here? Oh no, we're looking at crit chance now. We're looking at crit chance, which. The way I have these set up is that like you pass the scenario tag into it and then you see if it needs to do anything, which it doesn't. Another damage. This would be from... Yeah, this is the spell, the fire spell. And we're calculating crit chance. So... Why are you getting hit twice? This should only be if damage and melee. And then I only ever see this get hit once. Current value is damage. Oh, and oh, wait, we hit it again. Oh, this is calc crit chance, but that's fine because then this is skipped. We hit it again. It is damage, but this, yeah, it doesn't contain melee, but we shouldn't get there. We hit here again because we're calculating crit chance. Do I feel like the damage processor might be fucked up here or something. Yeah. Also, I want to put this on the right hand. I think that would look better. Wait, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Why didn't you do that? Hand socket R. Hello? I guess it looks weirdly different. Why does that look weirdly different? Rotation? The rotation of it, maybe? I mean, yeah, I do. Like, why, I mean, it looks okay. Yeah, why is that fire, like, down there? And there's, like, that there. I don't know. Whatever. I'm not too worried about that right now. Okay, so instant effect view, duration effect view. Apply instant side effects. Calculated damage base. So I should like see that, right? In the vlog. Oh, interesting. I do see two side effects. Target applied self side effect. Wait, that doesn't make sense. That don't make no sense. Wait, where is the calculate? Oh, it's on the target. Okay, we'll have to look on the target then. That is what log? That's just ability system log. Okay. Calculated base damage 5. Calculated damage base 0. Final 4. Is there actually... Okay, so I think the damage only gets calculated. Am I just sending an extra damage event then to the fucking actor or whatever? The player character. Is this where I handle damage? Is it in player? It's in player character. The damage numbers. On damage dealt. It is from apply side effects each time. What is the third one that would be being hit here? That's the duration one. So it would be, I guess let's confirm that it's these three. One, two, three. Okay, there's three in here. Entity 388, 223, and then 388 again. Is this from the same tick? Let me go here. Oh, this is from tick every time. Ugh. Okay. We're gonna here. I'm gonna put a breakpoint here so we can see if it's on the next tick or not. Maybe we just don't remove one. Two. Right, it's the next tick. And then we hit it. Yeah, okay, interesting. But the order that it happens in, it's like the first one is the invalid one, with the way the damage numbers are showing up. Let's do a vlog here. On source entity for damage, sure, %F. Find damage side effects, I'll say from ability, which will be on effect context source ability. Wait, why wouldn't get namesave work there? U object base utility. I mean, this is a U object. Why? I mean, okay, whatever. I'll just use the regular get name then. That's fine. Okay, welcome. I'm going part 2 to the 3D modeling on my game. I forgot how slow modeling is compared to the fast feedback of programming. Yeah, I've never done the modeling side. I mean, the programming and the other stuff already takes so long, you know? It's hard to do all of it yourself, it feels like. Is that going to be enough information? Is this going to be enough information? I feel like what happens is we just don't remove damage effect. Let's also log the entity. Or damage entity. Is that enough? Damage effect data. Effect entity is the instant side effects view, which is the, yeah, that is the damage. Okay, let's try that. Probably the last thing I'm able to do before I have to hop off, though. Okay, we have some more information. Now let's see it. Okay. Wait, why am I seeing applied self side effect twice? For the same. Applying damage side effects from ability imbue weapon. 4 damage entity 622. Final damage is 0. Yeah, why does that happen? Flying side effects. And then there's another damage entity. I need some logs here as to like when damage is being calculated. Calculated damage base 0. Because it only exists on the target. Calculated damage base 0. Yeah, the thing dealing the damage should have that log on it. I think I logged a little backwards here. Applying damage side effects from melee auto attack ability 1. Yeah, why is there a previous damage entity? Like, what is that coming from? Because this one makes sense. Because we are triggering the imbue weapon from the melee swing. But what the hell is this first one? I'll have to investigate further. I will have to investigate further some other time because I have to go. I'm gonna send you guys over somewhere else. Who is streaming? Stevie, Odd, Fractal. Where are we feeling? Let me think. Where are most of you going to go after this? Fractal, they only stream a couple days a week, so we'll raid Fractal. How about that? You turning cog over there already?
And I just lost it.
I'll see you guys over there. I gotta go to work now, but thanks for hanging out with me. Appreciate it. I got some good things done here today. I'm glad I committed the building refactor. That was awesome. Glad to get that off my plate for now. We will return for some more building stuff, of course, but it's in a good place now, so I'm happy to put it aside for a bit. Work on some other stuff. So yeah, until next time, take care, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh.